just live, but you just take your time. We won't go until everyone's ready.
We won't go till they're ready.
All right, so I'll just catch the viewers up to speed. So right now we are live for a final immunity challenge. They've been told they must take a pencil, hold it by both ends with their pointing fingers only, fully extended arms up in the air, and hold it there as long as they can. The last person standing wins final immunity and will make the decision on who to bring to the end and who to send to fire. We are just waiting for Antonio, then we'll go ahead and get started. So meantime, how's everyone doing today? Everyone excited?
What's up?
Is we all doing good today?
I mean, today's been on my mind.
Yeah. Once everyone go ahead and once you're all ready, go ahead and get set up whenever you're ready. And once everyone is up and ready, I will give you a 3, 2, 1 countdown to start the challenge. Sound good?
Yep.
Oh my gosh, they're probably looking at me like I'm crazy.
Should have done this in the shower.
What are they saying? Nothing yet.
Jay, I think everyone's ready. They're just waiting on you.
All right, are you all ready?
All right, let me know when to go.
All right, 3,
2,
2, 1. Go ahead and lift your pencils.
Go.
All right, this challenge is on.
Is that good?
Everyone looks good right now.
Nice, good.
You must hold it there. And the winner will obviously get to the end. This is a challenge where you have to dig deep. And obviously, you want to win tonight because you will get to have the most important decision of the game. McCall, just fold your fingers in a little bit. You can only use the tips of your pointer fingers. Yep.
Okay.
What?
But you can only use the tips of your pointing fingers. Just fold your.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing, right?
Okay. Yeah, just fold your fingers down a little bit more because it looks like you're touching. Let me see. Okay.
That's
okay.
how it looks like, right?
Okay. Okay. Yeah, you're fine. You're fine. Okay. Yeah, but
Okay,
don't bring it
cool.
down.
I'll
That's
stand
your one
back
warning.
position then.
Yep. Don't bring it down again, though.
Hold on, probably should move back.
Everyone looking pretty solid. I'm impressed. Go for a little. We said we can go for another 2 minutes and start to make it a little bit harder.
So what are we doing for 2 minutes?
They're gonna make it a little bit harder.
They're gonna make it harder. Let them know I'm on a highway.
Okay.
On a highway. So yeah, right here. Ooh, the blood is raining, girl. Where did they come from? It's cold.
This is.
Trying to get comfy.
Right. Did you say anything yet? No. Might as well be lifting weights.
McCall, need you to lift your arms a little bit. That's your last warning. Everyone. Bradley, a little bit more too.
Lift your arms a little more. So lift your arms.
Right now, this is as far up as I can go.
Yeah, I know. It looks like you're touching the ceiling. It's fine. You're good though.
Like that.
Yeah.
All right.
So we can appreciate nature. And then he got. Trying to improve our signal, so some of the trees have to go. I might have taken.
For a second that you didn't let down your. What would that be?
Well, like, would have gotten us Xfinity and with a better view.
All right. Can everyone go ahead and do one squat for me?
What are
Do
we
one
doing?
squat.
Squat.
Yes.
One squat.
There we go.
Good. All right. All right. Let's see.
Why would they? Oh, this.
All right, everyone, go ahead and stand on one leg for me.
Stand on one leg.
One leg?
Yep.
Oh, dude,
Sorry, I'm playing Survivor.
we have to stay like this?
Until I say stop.
Oh, fuck.
And
Say that
McCall is out. Go ahead and start camera for us.
All right, one's out.
Can you see me?
Yes, we can. You're good, Bradley.
Sorry, I can't hear anything.
No, Bradley, you need to strain your arms just a little bit more. That is, yeah. Actually, hold on. Bradley, were you warned already?
What?
Ask if you were warned already.
Am I what?
Had you been warned already?
Do what?
Yeah. Yeah. Wait, hold on. Marvin and yeah. Yeah, so you were warned. So if your arms drop one more time, you are out.
So one more time.
Arms drop- yeah. Y'all are like killing it. I'm impressed.
I can't hear anything he's saying.
I can barely hear because of the cars.
It's okay. Can they see me? Can they see me?
Can you still see Bradley wobbly?
Yes, you're good. Super impressive by all of you. And Mandy's out. Mandy drops. You're down to 2.
Down to
Bradley,
two.
Antonio fighting final immunity. It would be Antonio's 3rd, to be Bradley's 4th. Bradley gets this. He breaks the individual immunity record of this org.
Let's do this and cheer. It's okay.
I should get points for holding this phone.
Both a little bit wobbly. Both digging.
You're both wobbly.
Just don't move. Yeah, I'm staring at you.
Certain amount of color, yes. Cuticles, it's something that's really hard. You don't keep it right.
Amazing effort by both of you all. This is not easy.
Burning. Hurting. Bro, we never had to do this long.
As long as you can still dance tomorrow.
What?
As long as you can still dance tomorrow.
I know. I don't know. This leg is burning, girl.
Can you each do a squat while standing on one leg?
What?
Do a squat while standing on one leg.
Am I good?
I couldn't. Yeah, I think you're good. You're both good. Yeah, no. I couldn't tell. Hold on 1 second.
Go down with the camera a little bit. I'm gonna do it
Yeah.
again.
All right, one more. Yep. Okay, you're good.
Is that good?
Yeah. You're
Yeah,
good.
yeah, that was good.
Sing applause in your head.
Huh?
Sing applause in your head.
Wave at your chair and spin. Put your hands up.
Girl, they get a free everything. $500, Jay.
All right, can you guys both hop on one foot while you're doing this?
Hop on one foot
Once-
while you're doing
once
it.
Or how many times?
Keep doing it until I say stop.
Keep doing it till they say stop.
All right, you can stop. That you're good. Yeah. Wait, and didn't hold on. Okay, Antonio. No, Antonio's good. It looked like for half a second touch the ground, but you're good. You're just hopping. Y'all are both gonna last on me, aren't you? It's how you dig in Survivor.
More than 60,000 ATMs. So whatever I need.
Antonia.
ATM, I love it. I can go into any walk and deposit. The best thing about trying is a pay. You know, where it is, which is it, how we go to. Would be on.
Which leg?
I think that's fair. Yes.
It says, oh, it's odd.
I know. Like if I'm just Cameron Michaels, because you're holding up a pencil.
Sorry.
This is honestly impressive.
Antonio, can you just keep your hands straight? Thank
There.
you.
That's your one warning.
Because I won't be able to do the next one if I lose. Just won't be able to. So I'll be out of the game. Waiting.
All right, Antonio, arms straight, a little bit straighter. That's your last. And then can you guys all hop around in a circle? Like
Hopping is-
do it for full 360 turn. Yep. There we go. Y'all are killing it.
Ugh.
Antonio doing some sort of ballet moves there. I'm not sure what's going on, but hanging on. Antonio.
This would have been great punishment cheer. I'm just saying. Honestly, this would have been perfect. Oh, you can't be a flyer? Well, guess what? You about to be.
Wonder how many people are driving by going, what is that weirdo doing on the side of the road?
Give it to me. We just made the rough fingers.
All right, so with your opposite foot, the one once Antonio gets it, on your opposite foot, the one you're standing on, be on your toes with it. You're like your tippy toes.
Do what?
With your opposite foot than the one you're standing on, be on your tippy toe.
Don't make a foot.
Like this?
Like
No, Antonio, like the opposite foot that you're standing on. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
that?
So no, you're right. So like tippy toes. Yeah, there. And Antonio drops, which means Bradley has won final immunity, breaking the record at Radical Crowley Productions, and will have his spot in the final three.
Thank you.
All right.
Bye
You.
bye.
Good job, Brad.
Right.
Thank you.
All right. As for the rest of y'all, you will have 2 minutes to plead your case. I will give a breakout room for you guys. So who wants Antonio? So Bradley, go in the breakout. Oh wait, yeah. Are we gonna do breakout rooms or do you each go here?
No, we're doing it here.
Okay. So each of you can. If Antonio went off camera, I don't know where he is.
I don't know how to break out of the room.
Okay, it's fine. You can each start pleading your case here. Marvin, can you set a 2-minute timer for each one? Oh,
I'm
where
on my
Bradley?
phone. I can't do that.
Okay, I got it. Okay, so whenever Bradley and Antonio both here.
I'm here.
All right. Whoever wants to go first, go ahead and start pleading your case. I will put the stopwatch on when you start talking. So just discuss amongst the three of you.
Which one? I don't know.
You can go first, Nicole, if you want.
No, I don't know what to say right now.
Someone go first, or we'll go in the order on my screen.
I'll go. Bradley, I respect any decision you make. I would love to sit in the final with you, but obviously that is your decision and I respect whatever you do. And congratulations on winning. You've played a great game and I'm really excited for you.
You're good? Okay. Everyone's go next.
All right, so I pick one of the three to stay with me.
Well, no, they each get the plead first, then you pick.
Okay.
All right, Nicole, you go ahead now.
Oh, me? Well, Bradley, first of all, big congratulations on breaking the immunity record. That is a very impressive thing to pull off. I will say straight up, I have no idea how the jury feels about me at all. So I do think that, like, when we're looking at it, like, I do think I pissed off a few members of this jury, and I do think that I would be a really good case for you to, if you did take me to the end, that you could really well beat me. Also, due to the fact that I haven't lied to you one time in this game, I stayed loyal to you, and we've been out with each other, and I'm hoping that that'll stick through this decision. But obviously you gotta do what's best for your game, and I respect your decision, but hopefully you can keep me. And that's all I have.
All right. And then Tony, you're last.
Well, hey sis. So congrats on winning, girl. I'm old, bitch. Can't stand on one leg too long. I would really like to go to the end with you. You know, I've been with you since the beginning of the merge. We've played hard together. It'd be nice to sit next to you at the end of the game, as we originally planned anyway. But if not, I will do my best in power to earn my spot there. And once again, congratulations.
All right. Bradley, do you have your decision?
I do.
All right, come on camera and let us know. If you can you come on
I
camera?
can say now.
Yeah, come on camera first and let us know.
Hey, so I do have to say that there has been a couple of people that have been very loyal to me the whole game, and I am going to choose Antonio.
So Antonio, you will have a spot in the final tribal council. Mandy and McCall, you guys will be participating in Fallen Comrades. So if you each want to get a pen and paper for us real quick. Congratulations, Antonio, on being part of the final callbacks as well as Bradley. So we have a set of 10 questions, 2 tiebreakers, some questions that have bonus points, okay? Rita or Marvin, can one of you just keep track in the Proud Tower thing of points for us?
Yeah.
Okay. So when you are ready, so how we'll do this is just let me know when you guys are ready for each question. We'll go 3, 2, 1, reveal, and you'll turn your papers over, and I will let you know if you are correct. Person with the most points at the end will have a spot in the final 3. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good
First
luck,
question.
Mandy.
Was it? Okay. First.
Good luck, Mandy.
Good luck to you.
All right. First question is what was the episode title the night Mike was voted out? All right, when you're both ready. All right, 3, 2, 1, reveal. Neither it was Soggy Biscuits for Life. McCall was close, but neither of you get a point.
Oh, what the hell?
It was Soggy Biscuits for Life. Close. How many votes were successfully negated by idols, and you get a bonus 2 points if you can name the person and how many votes were negated by them. Does that make sense?
Yep.
Okay.
Like successfully?
Yes, like successfully. So like, or for an example, if Bobby played the nullifier, that doesn't count. Like, you know, when Bobby went out on the nullifier, like, yeah, how many votes successfully? And then remember a bonus point if you can name who and how many votes they negated. All right, 3, 2, 1, go ahead and reveal. Correct answer was Mike and Fred with 1 apop. So McCall does get 2 points. I didn't think of an answer. Okay. Okay, I know the answer to this, but it's okay. How many votes did Rachel have cast against her in total?
Total?
Yes, total votes did Rachel have cast against her. All right, 3, 2, 1, reveal. Correct answer was 10. Neither of you got it right. All right. Who received the idol when the idol's voice was played? So basically, who got the idol once it was nullified and played? Does that make sense?
So so who was the idol played for?
Yes, after it was nullified, who was it played on then? All right, 3, 2, 1, reveal. Correct answer was Frank. You both get a point. All right, next question. Who publicly claimed a penny at Tribal? Three, two, one, reveal. Correct answer was John. You both get a point. All right. What was the first advantage to be bought from the shop at Merge? Remember, it's first bought, not on the first on the list, just so you know.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to remember what the fuck was on the fucking list.
I need an answer.
I'm just gonna take a guess.
All right, 3, 2, 1, reveal. Correct answer was Poison Apple. Mandy gets a point.
What's the points look like?
Yeah, 4 McCall, 3 Mandy. All right. Who was the only person to not go unanimously pre-merge, not including rounds with self votes? Does that make sense?
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, well, there's actually 2.
Not including self votes.
Yeah, I know. There's still 2.
Let me double check that real quick. I don't know. I do not believe so.
I can even DM you the answer.
I'm gonna double check it right now because I don't believe there's 2. It's non-unanimously, member.
Yeah, I know.
I'll double check that. Give me 1 second.
But okay, I guess I'll do it this way.
And it, like, remember I said not including self votes. So
Oh, okay, yep.
yeah, that's what I said, not including self votes. Yeah, that's I saw what you
Okay.
meant. Yeah. All right, you both ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, reveal. Mandy, did you? Or no. It was Galen. McCall has a point.
Yeah, I thought page was 311, so I was confused.
Yeah, no, Ariel got a self vote that night. So.
Yeah.
All right, so this question is a two-part two. Who received the most votes against them, including votes negated by an idol? And if you you can get a point for who it is and how many votes they received. All right, 3, 2, 1, reveal. All right, the correct answer was Mike, and it was 12, so McCall gets 1 point. All right. Question number 9. Who are the only 2 people to go out unanimously at the merge? Three, two, one, reveal. Rachel and Gabby both get a point. No, that was for 1 point, that one. So just score update. Marvin put the update in the chat because I think, right. Yeah, but that it doesn't matter with the score of 7 with 1 question left. McCall has won fire making, who has found the final cast and call. I'm gonna say this, Mandy, 25 out of 26 days is not bad. You have 30 seconds to say your goodbyes.
Thank you for letting me play the game. It was really fun. I had a lot of fun with the theme. I had a lot of fun with the cast. Nicole, congratulations, completely earned it. Antonio, Bradley, y'all also earned it. I'm so happy for you guys. I don't even know who to root for at the end because I love all of you. So I'm really proud of you. I hope you guys kill it at Final Tribal. And yeah, congratulations. Thanks, Jay, Marvin, Rita, everyone for, supporting me throughout the season. And I love you all.
All right, Mandy, before you go, I want to say thank you so much for playing. You were an amazing player, and we know that. And you killed it this season. Honestly, playing 3 games, and it's amazing that so much you're accomplished here. Thank you so much for playing. But unfortunately, as you know, you do become the 10th and final member of our jury. And thank you once again, Mandy, so much. The other 3 of you, just stay on here for 2 seconds, and then.
Love you, Mandy.
Mandy, the all-star.
Better.
All right, is she gone? Antonio. All right, so Bradley. What? Yeah,
Go
she's
ahead.
good. Just Bradley, Antonio, and McCall. You guys have made it as far as you can in this game. And your final tribal council, because Bradley has to do early. Does 4 p.m. work for you all?
Tomorrow?
Yeah. Or we
No.
can move it to
Hey
Monday.
Jay, you're still live.
Okay, yeah. Okay, let's see. Oh shit, I forgot to go live after that. Okay.